Hi, I'm Jonathan Cheever, Olympic snowboarder, proud GROHE athlete, and licensed plumber. GROHE makes some of the most sustainable, highest quality, and best designed products on the market. I'm going to show you how to install your new EuroStyle Cosmopolitan fixture like a pro. Inside our box, we have our EuroStyle Cosmopolitan fixture and our mounting kit. This fixture is super easy to install. In order to both remove your old faucet and install your new one, you're going to need these tools. A basin wrench, which is a vertical wrench with a long handle and rotating the head to both tighten and loosen basin nuts. You can find this at your local tool store for under $15. A light, I prefer a headlamp, a pair of pliers and an adjustable wrench or a pair of finished pliers, a small vessel to catch any residual water in the supply lines, a rag or towel. Safety glasses aren't a bad idea, as there will be a chance of debris falling in your eyes while you're underneath the sink. While we're above the sink, we take our rubber gasket and we slide our supply lines through the rubber gasket. Then we just simply take our fixture and slide it through our sink base. The next step is underneath the sink. I'm going to quickly show you how to install your pop-up assembly outside of the sink so you can get a detailed look of how it works. Drain into the tailpiece. Ball rod into the eye of the drain. Washer into the ball rod. Hand tighten the nut to hold the ball rod in place. This activates our pop-up. One end of the friction clamp onto the ball rod. One hole of the pull strap through the ball rod. The friction clamp is going to keep that in place. Above the sink, we have our pull rod sticking down. That'll be fed through the eyes of the pull strap. It's going to be finger tight. Then we'll take a tool to make it a little more snug. And above our fixture, this pull rod will activate the pop-up assembly. Now that we have our EuroStyle Cosmopolitan fixture mounted to our sink basin, the next step is to take our supply lines and connect them to the appropriate water line. The first step is to put them finger tight. I always loosen the threads first just to make sure there's no cross threads. Pro tip, once they're finger tight, I take my pliers, tighten the connection, now we turn on the water to make sure there's no leaks. And you just installed your EuroStyle Cosmopolitan faucet.